episode 2. So actually next day we already start to work in Lada. Actually I'm coming 6:30 in the morning. Already done roof, already done protection, but I'm gonna show you this now. Look what I done. So I done with special rust protection, everything where it was clean metal. Then I sanding down roof with 180. Here I done with 80, where was all the rusty bits, and of course done with protection as well, a bit wood. And that side is well done. So for 4 hours job, even less of course. So now what I'm gonna do, there will be fiber filler, and then I start full car prepare same 180. So I need to work. Of course, before I start to do 180, I need to remove maybe some bits as well, like this plastic bits, which one I can't sanding down when they are there. Anyway, my idea to all trims put on the tiger seal, because I don't want to play with this plastic bit, which one sometimes it's fell off. Plastic, you know, that not safe, but tiger seal is the best of the best. So now we're gonna remove all these black bits, maybe bumpers to easy access for the wings. Here, really I don't want to remove on the moment that indicator, because I need to go under the you know, that like cover wheel arch. They have some trim, I don't know how to say, already confused. So I need to remove to unscrew this 2 8s. I don't want to do that, so I start from the back because they easier. Remove bumper and I've got full access. I'm gonna start from driver side and continue with passenger side, and then between. Easier like.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up.
Alright, so I prepared in these 2 doors, and I find out there was no alignment. That the door was stick too much out. So what I did, they have a like lock and adjusting, so they have a 2 bolts for tenna. So I just release them, one top, put inside, screw in, now perfect, you know. So before you use some hammer or something, just try to adjust your lock. Easy was for me. But now I need to sanding down that, and then we're gonna do filler job on this side, and then we put going another side.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Okay, for remove the indicator I need jacket car, remove that cover, 8 or 10, now remember I believe 8, remove, and then finally we can finish that side.
Pay. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And on
You see, I remove it, but I'm struggling because one bolt already old and he's spinning around, but I managed. It's easy, so now we're gonna take this home and look for the new part, because I want the car gonna look amazing, so we need all this new. And of course this one we just push back and leave it there, because now we don't need it. It's like slightly different than new cars. All new cars, they have some brackets and bolts and for elastic, some holders here, just to press back and that's it. So actually soon we're gonna remove another side, but now I'm gonna remove the front bumper. Okay, how you see I already removed front bumper. I just record a second time video because guys, using compressor it was so loud. Only 2 bolts there because I removed before that fake teeth. So now it's for me enough. For the future I'm gonna think maybe it's gonna be another bumper for 2103. But now I have access for the sanding down these sides. So what we actually gonna do? We continue for this bit and then we're gonna go another side, so we don't need to split like take everything out from the front, like, because I work every day a bit, so for me it's best way to do like this. Of course now time is the filler job, but I'm not the best with the filler job. I already done on the roof some of them, but to not waste time and do from first time perfect, I'm gonna ask like friends help me, so they're gonna do filler job, and then after I will sanding down and maybe I check time, maybe I have enough time for the second side. Actually we have time, we need to film YouTube, we need to do Lada, so why not actually? So not wasting time, again ask about filler job and go on another side. Okay, filler job done by my friends. So the green one is fiber filler, and then if focus will be that yellow one is normal filler. So not everywhere need fiber filler, only on the big places. For today it's almost done. I'm gonna move to another side, remove indicator light and masking some corners, and time to go home. We're already late. I'm tired, I want to go sleep because today I start 6:30 in the morning, so it's my 15 hours day finished. I hope. And this was the second episode. Thank you for watching. I try to continue same way, film everyday video, but post every 2-3 days, depends of how progress will be. Of course I'm interested in do more progress in one video, but because of the after work time, when weekend for one day I can do a lot, but like before work and after work, you know, you can't do much, but progress for 2 days it's quite big. So if we're gonna continue this way, soon we're gonna start spraying black color.